Hello students, today we are going to do another map on population. First, we will mark the sparsely populated regions of India. The first region which is sparsely populated that we are going to mark is in the west, that is Thar Desert. You can see this point, children. This looks like a hat, right? Now from this end till here, you will join this and shade it. You can use yellow color to show the shading. This is the sparsely populated region in the west, which is called as Thar Desert. We will label it as Thar and please mention it as sparsely populated. This is for your reference. In the exam when it comes to mark it in the west, you will mark the Thar region. The next sparsely populated region, we find it in the far east, that is Arunachal Pradesh. You can see this. Shade it from here. First draw the boundary and then shade it inside like this. And then label it as Arunachal Pradesh. This is also sparsely populated region in the far east. Another sparsely populated region in the north. When you are asked about the north, you can see this river, children. The lower river is Satluj. This river, Ravi. Above that, you shade. You can see this. Take a closer look and shade this entire part. Please see to it that you do not go outside the country. Shade this entire part and mark it as Kashmir and write in the brackets sparsely populated. For all the sparsely populated region, you may use yellow color. That would be the ideal color to be used for sparsely populated places. This is your sparsely populated region in the north. Our next marking would be the densely populated state in the south, that is Kerala. So you should we have earlier in the previous map we have marked the Malabar coast. So we take the same demarcation, that is Kaveri river here, and then come down to the center and shade this. You can use green color. If you wish to use any color, you can use green color to show the densely populated state. Now this is Kerala. Densely populated in south. This state is apparently also the state with highest literacy in the south. So if there is an indirect question, you can write it in that manner. The first densely populated state in the north that we are going to mark is Uttar Pradesh. Now look at the limitations first. If you see this river, okay, and there is another point here, okay, just beside this river. What you do is from this point till here you make a line. So that will be our boundary. We are determining the boundary first. Then come down till this. You can see the Son river, intersection of Son river with this another river. Bring it here. Then from this end point, look at this end point, mark a line. Then cut the rivers very finely and join this. And now shade this part. This entire part you shade. You can use darker green when you're doing the entire map, solving it on one map itself. So you be very particular about using different shades of green so that you can differentiate between the different populated states. So here we'll mark it as Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh as the dense one, the densely populated state. The next state that you are going to mark as the densely populated state is Bihar. Now, this is one river, that is River Kosi. Beside it, just in the center of these 2 points, make a line. And then you can see this bulge of Son River. Just join it here and then to Uttar Pradesh here. And then give it another way of shading if you're practicing in pencil. This is Bihar. So I'll draw another arrowhead here and write Bihar, which is again a densely populated state. Bihar is also a state with lowest literacy rate. So if there is an indirect question that is asked, mark a state with dense population but low literacy rate, then you will have to mark Bihar. Now the last densely populated state is West Bengal. Now look at the demarcations properly. First we'll draw the boundary. This is Bhutan. You can see a slight curve here. This is the slight curvature here. Draw one line so that we can mark the boundary here. And then you come down like this, okay? You look at this particular part where you've already made Bihar. So if you do not get to mark Bihar and only West Bengal you have to mark. So you will draw a center line here, okay? And then you will go down, cut the rivers, these Damodar and Hooghly, and join till here. So we are going to come here like this and then shade it. Right from top here, come down. Look at the shadings. Please do not enter Bangladesh. Just shade it till here. You can use, again I say, green color, darker green shade to show the states. This is your West Bengal. This is also dense. So let us take an overall look at the map of the population, different states and regions that are marked, which are sparsely populated and densely populated. Please keep practicing, children. Happy learning. Do subscribe to my channel and keep viewing it and liking too. Thank you.